first, since it's part of my example. So here's this 3, yeah, 3. This is also 3, 3, okay? But here we notice that there's a difference. Oops. Here's this 3 a.m., 3 a.m., but here's this 3 p.m., 3 p.m. This helps us separate or distinguish between 3 in, I guess you could say 3 in the evening, 3 in the evening, very, very late evening, 3 in the evening, when it's dark outside, yeah, 3 a.m., it's very dark outside, and 3 p.m., which is still sunny, it's the afternoon, yeah, 3 a.m., when we're sleeping, right, 3 a.m., and 3 p.m., it's usually the afternoon or the evening when we're awake. We can also say 3 in the morning. Okay, we can say 3 in the morning. So instead of 3 a.m., we could say 3 in the morning is the same as 3 a.m. Okay, 3 in the morning, same as 3 a.m. And we can say 3 in the afternoon, same as 3 p.m. So either one is fine. Yeah. 3 in the morning, 3 a.m. 6, 7 a.m. or maybe 6 or 7 in the morning is when we wake up, for example, and when we wake up. Maybe 1 p.m., 1 p.m. or 1 in the afternoon is when we eat something for lunch. And then perhaps 10 p.m. or 10 in the evening or at night, that's when we go to sleep. Yeah? And so there's different ways to say the same thing, but just remember that AM is usually in the morning, and PM is in the afternoon, evening. Yeah. Now let's go on to this example here. It's a little different. This is when the clock is exactly at 12. Yeah. The clock is exactly at 12. But when it's 12 at night, 12 at night, we're usually sleeping at this time, 12 at night, we say midnight, yeah? Midnight. But when it's 12 in the daytime, yeah, 12 in the daytime, we say noon, noon. So if somebody asks you, what time is it? And it's 12, and it's daylight outside, you can say, it's noon. Yeah, it's noon. If someone asks you, what time is it? And maybe it's New Year's, a New Year's celebration. We bring in the new year on January 1st, and maybe you're up very late, and someone asks you, what time is it? You can say, it is midnight. It is midnight, right? So yes, different ways to tell the time depending on what part of the day it is. Yeah. All right, let's continue on. I'll get rid of all this. Okay. So let's do a few exercises together. Okay. So this one right here, we say it's 7 o'clock. O'clock. Not o'clock, not o'clock, o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. You can also say it's 7. It's 7. We don't always need o'clock. It's 7, okay? Let's do number 1. Number 1. What do you think this is? Number 1. Yeah, it's midnight. It's midnight. We don't have noon here. We don't have noon. And so the best option is it's midnight. So this is a 12 at night. Yeah, 12 at night. It's say 12 a.m. Yeah, 12 a.m. Okay, how about number 2? Number 2. So this is a little tricky. We have to make sure we're reading it correctly. Here's the 12. 1, 2, 3. And then we have a half here. 30 minutes, right? A half. So we're maybe looking for something that says 3:30 or 3:30. Do we have that here? Great. Yeah, it's 3:30 or it's 3:30. It's 3:30 or we can say it's 3:30, okay? Okay, let's do number 3. Which one is it? So maybe we're looking for 11:45, or we do have 15 minutes or a quarter. Remember, 15 minutes is a quarter to 12. So do we have that option here? Yeah, it's quarter to 12. It's a we tend to say it's a it's a it's a quarter to 12. It's a quarter. It's a quarter to 12, like we have here. It's a quarter past 9. Okay. And so, yeah, this is a good one. You can match it here. It's a quarter to 12. It's 15 minutes to 12. Okay, how about number 4? So here we have 12, 1, 2, and we have 2:30, maybe 2:30. Do we have an option here? Great, it's 2:30. Yeah, it's 2:30. So we can match that here. And how about number 5? So here we have 15. Remember, we can also say a quarter. Remember, 15 is the same as a quarter in telling time. And then 30 is the same thing as half. Okay. So yeah, 9:15, or it's a quarter past 9. Yeah, it's a quarter past 9. 9, and then 15 minutes added to that. It's a quarter past 9. Yeah. And the last one, number 6, what do you think it is? Yep. It's 10:30. It's 10:30. What's another